Let's take a look at RKT, otherwise known as Rocket Companies. Now, if you've been following along, pretty much the day before it went up insane 70+%, and the percent even higher if you got in at a smaller price point. And today we see a slight dip, and by slight, I wouldn't say slight, but we see at least a 25%. Let's see, go here, and we'll just start at least the current price at this video. Pretty much 25%, give or take. And obviously that's not a surprise, right? Everyone who got in definitely would want to see the price continue, but realize that if something goes up even 30, 40, 50, even 70 plus 100%, it's not crazy for it to take a dip back down. So just keep that in mind. That's not uncommon. But just remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before making any investments. But moving forward in terms of RKT's price, right? I feel like it's going to be an interesting week. At least right now, if we can zoom in, we're building some strong support around this $29, $30, closer to $30 mark. So for it to drop even lower and lower, at least right now, I just don't see that happening. And again, it could 100%. It could continue to drop right after I post this video and continue back down to the 20s, or it could continue to rise up and reach 30 plus, and who knows how high it can go, right? But there's still some things in this week that are causing people to hold, and then there's obviously the people who are shorting this stock that want it to go down. So there's a mixture of, one, there's media, there's more articles going out, there's more essentially promotion, and it seems like yesterday it was positive. Today it seems like it's either negative or saying like, hey, the stock's going down now. And then a lot of people in the comments that are just retail investors, they're saying, oh, that's over, all this nonsense. So I would say don't look at any of those comments and just see the actual future of the company, and that'll be able to give you a better decision, right? So like, first off, if you guys are brand new to RKT, they've done, according to their reports, 9 billion profits in 2020. And if you want to multiply that by just 5x their profits, you're at already 45 plus bill. You want to 10x that and evaluate it at a 10x multiple, that's 90 plus bill market cap. And then obviously you can shorten it to 2, 3x, 4x, whatever multiplier you want to add, and then you can give a better decision on that. And at least right now it's at 58 bill. And there's companies right now to this day that I could name that have sold $0. They're negative. They basically made $0, and yet they're worth multi-billions. I'm talking companies that have literally millions of dollars. They're in debt. They owe a lot of money. They have made zero profit, haven't even sold a single thing, and they're worth billions, right? And then you have this company who's actually made billion profits, yet their current evaluation, I feel like it's still fairly low. Again, that's my own opinion, but I think as a long-term play, assuming that this company does really well again, I don't really see as much risk compared to like maybe a GameStop or AMC. For instance, like if you check out GameStop, right? GameStop can improve, obviously, go online and do things like that. But at this current price point, if you want to compare this to their revenues, how much money, actual profit they made, this number wouldn't make sense, even with AMC, right? Because you can see the FinViz charts. They're negative in terms of how much they made because of quarantine. And if you were to calculate the current prices right now, it just doesn't make sense in terms of market cap. For RKT, they're a legitimate company with legitimate profits. So when everyone's saying, oh, this stock's no good or it's over, it's going to crumble down, reality is true value will eventually come out, and then we'll really see what it's really worth. But at least short term right now, it's most likely going to be a bumpy ride. We can see the volume for the day is 140 plus mil. That's half of what it was yesterday. It was closer to like 330 plus mil yesterday during the crazy madness. Here it's still big, it's still major volume. So there's still definitely a lot of people getting into this. But let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. Do you think RKT is going to squeeze and go spike up again? Or do you think it's over and the price is just going to pretty much consolidate sideways or continue to dip? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And aside from that, if you made it this far in the video and you want to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850, then go ahead and click that link in the description below and sign up. And as long as you deposit $100 minimum or more, you'll be able to receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And aside from that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more updates like this video. Comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.